Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create a Google Sheets on PC or laptop. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Google. Then we're going to create a Google Sheets, and the first thing we should do is click on this button. Then you're going to scroll down until you find Sheets. It's right here, guys. Just tap on it and then wait for a moment. It's still loading. Right, and to create a new file of the Google Sheets, you can click on this plus button. And then here we go. We can edit the Google Sheets as we want, and we can change the title of the Google Sheets. We can, for example, I'm going to type my file. Then we can create a table or chart. It's up to you. And that's how we can create a Google Sheets in a laptop or PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.